My name is Martin Newton Hughes. I'm working in the group with Lucas Bradbury, Ho Fai Tang, and Zach Emery. This is our database at the moment. Currently, I've designed all the queries and all of the forms. Ho has helped me with some of this. The stock, I believe, some things with the stock. We're working well as a team, myself and Ho, at the moment. However, we're not getting any support from the other two members. Anyway, as a side issue, we've still got a number of things to complete with the database. Here is our database. So you open Form main menu. So what I've tried to do here is categorize a number of buttons based on the functional requirements. So all of the members requirements go in the members button there, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to spend for ages talking about the design features, but I'm going to try and justify them where I can. So starting off with the members, click on the members here, so you can create a new member. All the member details you can enter here. We haven't built input masks at the moment, so we're working on that. You can view and edit the members, so you can search according to, you can set all of the members from ascending and descending. So you can do the same on forename, surname, address, email and date of birth. You can also delete the records if you need to, which we're not going to do. Now you can also search for their forename or their surname if it contains any of the letters that are entered here. So for example, both myself and Ho has entered Phi in his forename there, so both have A in there, so if I enter A on first name it will display both records. But I have Tin in my first name, so if I search now it should just show me, which it does. You can then clear that, it will refresh the results and show all the users. Max rentals, that won't be blank, we need to set that. So yeah, that is search users, and that is the members area. The other features, rentals, still need to work on this. I've put the functional requirements in the pop-ups for each item that we still need to do. So that's rentals. Reservations, again same thing. Reports, again same thing. And then we've entered a standard, about me sort of button. Again, my name there and Ho's, because we seem to be the only people working on this. I've tried to contact the group members on several occasions over the past 2 months, I think, and not heard anything back. So I've mostly been doing these forms and trying to get it all working. So what haven't I shown? So there's catalogue here, so you can search by title, search by platform, genre, age rating and member rating. Currently the only thing that works is the title. I still need to work on these. So far I've actually created a genre table. Now the reason for this is that perhaps in the future there's a new type of game that comes out, so you need to create a new genre. Now rather than having to edit the code each time, you can just edit the table and add a new genre. The same is true, even more so with platforms. If a new platform comes out, the world technology is always changing, so you need to be able to modify that easily. So I've built that in with the genre so far. Haven't done the same for platform, haven't done the same for age rating yet. Need to look at that, but I haven't had chance. Yeah, so you can list the platforms here. Now in the genre, this is a lookup table, so it lists all of the ones that are selected. Unfortunately, I haven't figured out a way to hide all the ones that aren't selected. That might be a minor detail to do later. Okay. Right. So we've got staff tools here. Now it says staff tools, but members need to be able to view the titles. This was mainly aimed at my attempt to create a login system to manage the different users, because eventually you want an electronic catalogue to be available, and I thought, well, I have two catalogues, one that searches all of the films that members of staff are going to do, and one that the members of the public are going to be able to do. Again, you've got the delete menu item there, so that is our catalogue. Add stock, we're currently working on this one, but you can create a new stock item. Now, let's say you've created a new stock item. You've ordered a new stock item. It's the first item of that particular item in stock, so you've only got one copy. So you enter all the basic details here. Number of copies is grayed out and set to 1, because you're only going to enter this when you have exactly one copy. Again, you can set the genre in here, select as many as you want. Again, the age rating, the rental rate, sorry, we will be able to add a new rental rate. I'm working on that at the moment. So far it just shows and hides the buttons. So yeah, so that's the new stock item. Now let's say you've got a new item, you want to add a new copy for an existing stock item, so you want to get the second copy of a title you've already got in stock. Why create all of the details for the stock item again when you already know most of the basic details? So you just want to add a copy, click on this one. So you select the title. This is just some arbitrary stuff that I've entered, and then that will auto fill the rest of the details in when it comes to entering it into the database. The only thing you need to do then is enter the cost and select the supplier from a drop down box. This isn't in the create a new stock item thing yet. I need to look at that. Again, supplier is in its own table. That's got if I remember, it's got the contact details of the supplier, and it's also got their phone number. So the good thing about that is you can, let's say you're a manager and you say, I want to order 5 new copies of this. Where did we get it from last time? Oh, it was this supplier with these contact details. I can ring them up. It's also useful because if you have any problems with a particular stock item that's damaged or faulty, you can contact the supplier and hopefully order a new one from the same people, or perhaps get a refund. So that is all we've got so far, and yeah, that is it.